Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. During this video, I'll be exploring the use of artificial intelligence to make our lives easier as game developers. So you might be familiar with what I have on my screen here, which is the ChatGPT website, and this is an artificial intelligence tool that allows you to use this AI and the data that it has to give you ideas and have a chat with this. So this has been recently been acquired by Microsoft for $10 billion. So it's a new tool. It has been having making the rounds for the past few months, and it's huge and amazing tool to use. So I'll be showing you a couple of uses of how you can use this for your games. So just to summarize this, you can see that it has some examples, some capabilities, and some limitations you can have a look at. This tool is also free to use for a limited amount of time. So you have a free trial and then you might need to pay. For now, I'm using my free trial and you can do that too. It's very easy to sign up. So go to the OpenAI and go to the ChatGPT and you'll be prompted with this website. And here you'll be able to input anything you want on the AI and ask it for anything that you want, and it will generate an AI response to you based on the data that it has. And take note that the data that it will be provided is prior to the data that it has from the 2021. So if you're looking for something new, for example, something that it has been recently released, it might not be able to give you accurate answers. So keep that in mind, and keep that in mind that also is a new tool to use, so it's not perfect yet. Anyway, I'll be showing you how you can use this for game development. So you can use this for generating cool ideas for your games. So you can, for example, come up with video game ideas that you can develop using whatever you want, and this can help you come up with ideas and also how to make that. So I'll be just demonstrating what I mean by that. So tell me video game ideas to make. So something very simple. You can see that it instantly starts generating ideas based on the data that it has. So it will give you, for example, space exploration game, and gives you a brief summary of what that means: survival game, time travel game, puzzle game, etc., virtual reality sports game, and it will keep on generating up to a point. And you can see that it's really interesting on how fast this AI works. So give you 10 examples of games that you can make in like 10 seconds, which I think is really impressive. And this is a very generic question. So the best way to utilize this tool is actually giving more specific questions. So for example, let's say we're going to make this space exploration game. So I will be asking it, give me space exploration game ideas, and these might essentially keep on discussing this idea. And you can see that it gives you more in-depth ideas based on this genre of game that we have selected. So it doesn't have to be amongst these, but obviously I'm going to work with what I have here, and it will keep on giving you ideas. For example, it will give you trading, exploration, combat, etc., and many aspects of this game, which I think is really impressive. So again, it will give you up to 10 ideas that you can work with. I think that's really interesting, and you can go even further and be more specific with this, but I think I'll keep this video simple so you get the idea of how this works. You can ask it anything that you want. It will give you answers to literally everything, and this is going to be built into the Bing search engine soon enough. So you're going to be using that soon when you're searching Bing, and Google is actually going to be doing something similar. So if you're using Google, you're going to get it something similar in the future. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure to check this tool out. And goodbye.